In the heart of the European Union, a new agricultural revolution rises, not from the soil, but from the stack.
Precision-controlled vertical farming allows us to rear billions of Tenebrio molitor larvae in a fraction of the space. Human oversight is limited to strict quality control and environmental monitoring. Here, protein is synthesized efficiently, converting low-grade organic substrate into high-grade nutrition. Robotics handle the heavy logistics, maintaining a biosecure environment free from human contamination.
Automated logic controllers ensure every gram of feed is calculated for maximum growth.
After 6 weeks, the colony reaches peak biomass and is approved for harvest.
Leaving the climate-controlled nursery, the harvest moves to the separation line.
Leaving the rearing habitat, the colony enters the transfer zone, a biosecure bridge between farming and food processing.
Before processing can begin, the larvae must be transported to the separation wing.
Leaving the rearing habitat, the colony enters the transfer zone, a biosecure bridge between farming and food processing.
Inventory systems track every batch, ensuring strict traceability from the moment of harvest. Efficiency is paramount. The rearing phase ends, and the extraction process begins.
To maintain hygiene standards, the farming modules are physically isolated from the extraction facility.
Efficiency is paramount. The rearing phase ends, and the extraction process begins. Automated optical checkpoints verify the integrity of every container before entry.
Sanitization airlocks prevent cross-contamination, protecting the food-grade zone ahead.
High-speed logistics ensure the larvae remain alive and fresh until the exact moment of processing. Phase 2 is complete. The harvest has arrived.
The monolithic stacks are dismantled, feeding the processing line 1 unit at a time.
Strict European regulations demand pharmaceutical-grade hygiene standards for insect protein production.
Sanitization airlocks prevent cross-contamination, protecting the food-grade zone ahead.
Every employee enters a controlled flow, separating the outside world from the production line. While the farm focuses on growth, the processing wing is designed for one thing: purity.
Contamination risks are eliminated through a rigorous gowning protocol.
Sanitation stations physically block pathogens from tracking onto the factory floor.
Nothing touches the product without undergoing sterilization. A final air shower strips away microscopic dust before entry is granted.
Welcome to the extraction line, where biology meets heavy industry.
From here, every gram of input is tracked, timed, and temperature controlled.
Optical sorters scan thousands of larvae per second, rejecting any that don't meet strict visual standards.
Air classifiers remove the final lightweight skins, leaving only the pure livestock.
Sanitation is circular. Every tray is steam cleaned and sterilized before returning to the colony.
The separation process begins with a simple gravity dump, emptying the rearing trays completely.
Multi-stage vibrating sieves use kinetic energy to separate the insects from their habitat.
The byproduct, known as frass, falls through, collected as a high-value organic fertilizer. Human oversight confirms the purity before the final transformation begins.
The clean harvest is elevated to the blanching station, using gravity to feed the next phase.
High-pressure steam ensures complete sterilization without damaging the protein structure.
Once cleaned, the batch enters the blanching stage to eliminate bacteria immediately. Collected and staged, the batch is now ready for instantaneous processing. Excess moisture is shaken off to prepare for efficient dehydration.
Emerging sterile, they are ready for the critical drying phase.
Industrial microwave technology is used for uniform, rapid drying. Conveyors transport the batch to the heart of the facility, the microwave dryer.
This process locks in nutrients while removing moisture to prevent spoilage.
In minutes, the texture transforms from soft to perfectly crisp.
Pneumatic systems transport the delicate product without crushing it.
Rapid cooling is essential to stop the cooking process and ensure crunchiness.
Optical sorters use lasers to reject any discolored or imperfect units.
Quality checks confirm the perfect texture has been achieved.
Leaving the dryer, the product is now shelf-stable, but extremely hot.
Optical sorters use lasers to reject any discolored or imperfect units.
Sieving removes dust and broken fragments, leaving only premium whole larvae. For seasoned varieties, a precise coating of natural spices is applied here.
Inside the on-site laboratory, samples undergo rigorous analysis.
But before packaging, samples must pass strict EU food safety tests.
Now seasoned and sorted, they are ready for the final quality lab.
Microscopic inspection ensures structure integrity and absence of foreign particles.
Moisture levels are strictly controlled below 5% to guarantee long shelf life.
Protein concentration is verified to meet high nutritional standards.
Microbiological tests confirm the product is sterile and safe for consumption.
Only after passing every test is the batch released for packaging.
Advanced metal detectors scan for even the smallest metallic impurities.
Production resumes, moving the approved batch to the final safety lines.
X-ray systems provide a final internal scan before the product is weighed.
The verified product is lifted to the high-speed weighing deck.
Computer-controlled multi-head weighers calculate the perfect weight in milliseconds. The system combines pockets to ensure zero waste and precise portions.
Gravity feeds the portion directly into the packaging machine below.
Nitrogen gas is injected to displace oxygen, keeping the insects crisp for years. Rolls of barrier film are formed into pouches, ready to receive the product. Heat jaws seal the package hermetically, locking in the freshness.
Any pouch, even 1 gram off, is automatically rejected from the line.
Cartons are sealed and reinforced for transport. Delta robots pack the pouches into shipping cartons with lightning speed.
Approved pouches gather at the automated packing station.
Each case receives a unique tracking code for global traceability. Heavy-duty palletizers stack the cartons with geometric precision.
The pallet is now ready for the logistics team.
Stretch wrapping secures the load, protecting it from dust and moisture.
It is transported to the climate-controlled storage facility. Trucks are loaded efficiently to meet tight delivery schedules.
When orders arrive, stock is retrieved instantly.
Advanced warehousing ensures first in, first out inventory management.
Here, tons of sustainable protein await distribution across the continent.
Sealed and secured, the product begins its journey to the consumer.
And this is how modern factories produce edible insect protein from start to finish.
From a humble larvae to a global superfood, the cycle is complete.
Innovation in food technology is feeding the future.